Guku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Kwina saveno ikitwo ni Tifa. Saveno ni ukite ikamakia mwena wa thirikari kodo gina Dennis Itumbi aruta statement. Saveno mekite survey kuonania popularity ya ciama. Hena survey ikitwo na saveno ni very important. Survey ya kuonania atiriri kana andu ni manyita mbaru this broad-based government region issue the following wa Kenya kanireshe to wotene provinces kuma coast eastern northeastern central Nairobi uguo guthie gina kuria mwena wa Nyanza. And guys, you be shocked na ikyo Dennis Itumbi alta statement iyo. Now for your information, DCP ni ukirite na njira nene muno na niho gatuma gina mundu gwitwo mwena wa Ruto mapanic. Kurigana na Tifa survey, marauga atiriri UDA remains the most popular political party at 16%. Maigwa ODM second with 13%. DCP is ranked third at 9%. Atikia UDA kina 16% popularity yake. ODM na baigere 13%. Na baithato with 9% ni DCP. Niki uhoro wa DCP umakitie andu ni tondu as we speak DCP ona ndiri na mundu ona umwe athuritwo na kiama kiu. It was launched just the other day. Percentage yao ni thiete iguru muno. As we speak kugikona by election mundu wa DCP arugame athurwo na DCP no mwone percentage ya thi iguru. As times goes by ni mo kuona percentage ya DCP igithi iguru oria Rigathi Gachagua ekwendea gutransverse Kenya othe. There's not a joke. DCP ni reka wega muno na so far na mundu thuritwo irambiririo just the other day omeri igana na muno na ikyo andu mara panic tondu marona ikitu itakuja kuwatoa. Now hena survey ikitwo still Tifa uhoro wa broad based government ino nayo ni imaketie andu ame mwena wa thirikari because it reflects uria gugathi na mbere thiini wa ithurano cia mwaka wa 2027. Marathire across the 8 provinces kana regions, that is Mount Kenya, Coast, Lower Eastern, South Rift, Nairobi, Western, Nyanza, Central Rift, Northern, na maroria andu aya atiriri kana ciuria maroria ni mura support broad based government. For your information, region area tu ira support broad based government kurigana na Tifa no northern Kenya ko nokuo mara support broad based government. In fact ona kuria kwa mundu ogwetwo Ruto matira support broad based government. What does it tell you? It tells you Ruto anathi irefaini na mehamwe na Raila Odinga no magashindo na ikyo urona Raila ni kweheria areheria thini wa thirikari no pole no yugetio kide muthomere uria mugite then to the region by region across the country. Opinion about broad based government BBG across the country support for broad based government is highest in northern Kenya 61%, followed by the by president's home zone of Central Rift 45% and lowest in Mount Kenya region. The right stands 11 and 17% respectively. The home areas of his Prime Minister Odinga now cordial relations with the Kenya Kwanza government and the presence of several senior ODM figures within it. Residents of Nyanza give the broad-based government its that highest level of support in the region terms at 4%. Onakore kwa Raila matira support ino broad-based government. Ogira thini wachati ino irekereirio. Red ni oppose broad-based government. Green ni support broad-based government. Black ni no opinion. Reke twambie na mwena wa Mount Kenya. Mount Kenya mena 83% matira support broad-based government. That means hari adwaya 83%. Akono tugituthi thini wa ithurano muthenya wa muthi Ruto marugame na Raila Mount Kenya matige maikerie kura. Cost ne maketie muno. Coast region ni kuona 75% matia support broad-based government. Only 17% ma support, 9% batie na 9%, 8% matina opinion. Coast region ino yari ya Raila Odinga. As we speak, they opposed broad-based government. What does it tell you? Ko wana mataya nyita baru Ruto. Tugithi muthenya umuthi ithurano-ini Ruto mena Raila. What will happen? Netuthie lower eastern. 68% matiranyita baru broad-based government. Only 23% banyita baru. 9% ashio matina opinion. Netuthie south rift. South rift kule Rift Valley. 67% matiranyita baru broad-based government. 23% makanyita baru. 11% no opinion. Nairobi 64% matiranyita baru broad-based government. 26% ni manyita baru. 11% opinion, no opinion. Nairobi 64% na matanyita baru. Tothi western 64% kwa mwena western Kenya matiranyita baru broad-based government. Niko na ready hari 31% ni manyita, 6% no opinion. Nyanza region 58% matiranyita baru. 34% ni manyita baru. 8% no opinion. Central Rift Valley, kakole Central Rift 50% matiranyita baru broad-based. 45% ni manyita baru. 5% no opinion. Na guko ni kwa Ruto. Northern kore Kwanduare niko makenyita broad-based government. Baru na jirani 61% na 35% matiranyita baru. 4% no opinion. Na ukona in total 64% ya Kenyans othe matiranyita baru broad-based government. 29% mehawogo 7%, 29% no manyita baru na 7% niyo matena opinion. From my point of view, ino chart ni ra translate tugitwa kuingira thini wa ithurano. Andu ria mangithurana. Raila mangithi irefa-ini hamwe na Ruto muthenya wa muthi tugitwa guthi ithurano-ini. Andu matingi maikiria kura kuringana na chart ino na kuringana na nyamu ino ikitwo ni tifa. And that's why orona they are panicked. Kuria DCP no nekana ni ukita muno chart ino matiranyita baru kindu gitwo broad-based government. Now, higwa undu uyu ukire ni ndona mundu ugwitwo Dennis Itumbi ni athie na ni aria. Ladies and gentlemen, Dennis Itumbi arauga atia tondu horo uyu wa nyamu ici gwitwo survey gwiciria na wamamakia. But the fact is, kuringana na survey ya broad-based government, akinyige matiramenyita baru. Majority matirameda. Niki Raila akinyita na Ruto atakiragia higwa maundu marakika. Higwa njuraga na agenzi daragia. Igolo ikome na major daragia. Make menyita baru niki. Nego maundu mathukire me hamwe. Dennis Itumbi auga, all ladies and gentlemen, political polls in Kenya, even when they favor my political persuasion, are mostly desktop fiction. Too much noise, very little substance. So as they start their usual drama, do not give them your heart or mind. So as they start their usual drama, do not give them your heart or mind. Nasema tu. From my point of view, it's because marona tikwega. And kuna maundu maingi muno mekwendera. But of course, mugiririkana hingo kwari na githurano kiria kingi, ongira opinion polls ni ciabebaga Ruto muno tungikegera githurano cia 2022. Opinion polls ni ciabebaga Ruto. In some instances, opinion polls ni cionagia Ruto ni agacinda githurano thuna margin yo ndigakorwo inene. And that's what happened. So, ici opinion polls matiagereirwo gucioera hivi. Ici opinion polls cina urito munene muno. Ici opinion polls. So, it is what it is. Ogo niguo wikarite na magiro metikire uguo niguo kuri guku ni Gwikora podcast mwani manyu mariko nyuma atia guys, it is what it is. Kwa ni ikonini thank you gamotini amrathime.